We are here on the train tour of A Christmas Carol by Charles Dickens. This is a new Disney movie, and this is a train that's here in Oklahoma City. And in the train, they are, of course, promoting the novel, but it's kind of cool that they've got some original artifacts. This is an original pen and quill that Charles Dickens actually used to write, and there's a portrait of him from the Victorian era. And then in this area, we've got a couple of his original writings. These are two handwritten pages of his third major novel, Nicholas Nickleby. And then this is the Christmas chapter of a book that he wrote called The Pickwick Papers. So this is a free tour to obviously promote the video. I kind of think it's neat how they've got these portraits that are here, then they've got costumes, and then right next to it they've got the video screen that's in the same kind of format as the pictures, but sharing videos.
It was a real challenge because you really have to create the whole world.
We had some of the best artists in the world illustrating each location from start to finish. This way we were able to create the incredible world that Dickens imagined before we even started filming.
In the recreation of
And there's some additional artifacts here. This is two of Charles Dickens' letters that were written during his first visit to America. I think it's particularly interesting that Charles Dickens focused on social issues and led to change. It was saying one of those books that we just read a reference to was actually about education and led to the closure of some schools because of the focus that he gave on what was happening in those particular schools. He was a story chaser and, of course, a regular author.
And so the visual world still has a very strong place in the modern imagination.
When you read Dickens and the way he describes London, it's
So here are some early adaptations of A Christmas Carol.
capture the tone the way Dickens envisioned it.
This is the classical version of Dickens' Christmas Carol.
So much of the magic of Christmas Carol comes from the world that Dickens created. Getting that right was some of the important parts of the piece.
The Christmas Carol was set in London in the mid-19th century. Dickens created a visual world which is associated with him. He had foggy streets and a mixture of noise on the outside and merriment happening inside. He loved levels of society.
Brad's house. This is Brad's house. Those are some of the costumes.
These are the maquettes. Worked out in clay models before they're made into the character in the computer. And this is the mock-up of Big Ben. Huh. There's the three-dimensional model.
Those seem so realistic. It's almost he's about to jump out. So fast. Oh my gosh, look at him. So fast.
These are the mock-ups of the carriage hearse, Fred's house, and Scrooge's office.
Oh, Jim Carrey's place for all. No, he plays Scrooge. No, he plays Scrooge. No, he plays most of the
Ghost of Christmas Presents.
I'm looking for it.
How cool. So this is an area showing the motion capture cameras that were used. Oh wow. So now they're showing how the motion capture was actually done. Wow, look at all those points where they had to capture expressions. It's amazing. Hundreds of cameras just like these were used to motion capture real actors during the film.
It's not something you should
That's